Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me. We are cleaning the kitchen and the living room. In the living room, we will be doing some organizing and decluttering. I have a few drawers that really need it, so we are going to clean those out and get rid of the things that I do not need. If you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit the subscribe button. So my kitchen and living room both are a complete wreck. It is very messy. This is all dishes from the night before. Usually after dinner, I clean up the kitchen and also straighten up the living room, but for some reason, it must have been like a really busy week and I didn't get around to doing all of that. So this is Saturday morning when I'm recording this, and I'm just getting everything tidied up and things back in order before we have to do some more errands after I get all of this cleaned up.
Then I can be waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water, wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water, wicked drowning water.
So you can see I tried out the rug from the laundry room right in front of the sink. That's the same one, but I ended up not really liking it there, so I moved it back to the laundry room, and that's where I am keeping it for now.
Let's go on the longest journey far away. See elephants out in the wild. Forget every word we've ever known. Sunrise, sunset.
So I don't know if you've noticed in some of my videos, but in the lower left hand corner there, you can see that one of the doors is broken off from the Lazy Susan, and so it just keeps happening. This is like the second or third time the hinges have broken, and so Jason finally fixed it to where he put that door back up and just kind of pretty much screwed it on so it's permanent for now, and then one of the doors opens up. But I always hated using that corner anyway, so we tried to put stuff in there that I don't need a lot, and so it's kind of wasted space to me in a way, but I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to end up keeping in there.
We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. No, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. You wicked drowning water. I wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water.
videos, I am going to talk about how to declutter your countertops. As you can see, I feel like my countertops are a little cluttered themselves, so I'm going to go through and talk about what I feel like clutters them and what I feel like you can put in a cabinet or in the pantry so that you don't have just everything out on your countertops.
I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know a thing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know a thing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark.
So raise your hand if you have some Sharpie Sharpie on some furniture somewhere in your house. So this is Sharpie that I have on my black table. It is a silver Sharpie that my youngest got a hold of at one time, and so I haven't gotten it off yet. It's been there for a very long time, and that's because the things that I have tried, like all the tricks and tips, has taken the finish off also. So I'm gonna come up with some other things to try and maybe show y'all in a video next time.
I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the moon.
So these three drawers underneath the TV become very cluttered all the time. So I literally go through these probably every other month. The kids get in them a lot. It's where we keep our batteries and Chromebook and flashlights, and they get into all that kind of stuff, so I do have to keep them straightened out every so often.
Nighttime rumors, we were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, And also, if you are a new subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell beside it so you will be notified of when I put out my new videos. And please comment down below what type of video you would like to see next on my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!